Hey everyone, welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to withdraw money from your Neteller account. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Neteller account. Use your email address and password to access your dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Money Out section, usually found in the main menu. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it fits within your available balance and any applicable limits. Select your preferred withdrawal option. Neteller offers several choices such as bank transfers, prepaid cards, or partner e-wallet. Now enter your payment details. Double check this information to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Finally, confirm your withdrawal. Neteller will process your request and the funds will be transferred according to the selected payment method's timeline. And that's it. Thanks for watching.